Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to set notifications in the Telegram app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First, we have to open up the Telegram app. And here it usually opens up in the chats where we have our conversations. From here, we have to swipe to the right and then tap on settings. In settings, we have to tap on notifications and sounds. And then at the top, we can select the notifications for chats, the kind of chats we want to receive notifications from. So for example, if you want to receive notifications from private chats, we can just turn this on. If you want to receive from groups as well, channels and stories. If we don't want to receive from groups, we can just turn this off. So we can customize the notifications that we receive from the app here. So that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one.